Okay, here's why you may want to rethink your belief in signs. Have you ever seen someone take action or not take action because they saw certain signs in their life? In fact, there are many super famous self-help people that are like, I have to wait for a sign before I do it. Here's why this is totally wrong. In order for our brains to work efficiently, our brains can only pick up on a small percentage of information that we actually see every single day. So here's where signs can really lead us astray, or believing in signs and needing a sign. The reality is, our signs that we pick up on are based on our deeply held beliefs. So if you feel like an imposter, you're going to look all around for signs that you're an imposter. If you feel capable, confident, you're having just generally a good day, you're gonna, no doubt, find signs in your life that confirm that you should do something. Maybe you see an owl or you see a unicorn or something like that, and then that confirms your sign. So here's why I think the whole signs conversation needs to be had again, because we can essentially pick up any signs that we want to based on how we're feeling at that moment. So if we feel like, should I go on a vacation? I'll start to see signs because I'll start to consciously notice that.